In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Soccer Zero on Roblox. This is going to be the ultimate guide. Before we do get into this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and I can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. But first things first, obviously join the game. And once you get in the game itself, you're going to be put in a little menu that looks something like this. Now, it looks like there's a lot going on. There really isn't. You just have quest over here. You're going to have shops over here, limited time shops, leaderboards. Nothing too important because the majority of the stuff can also be accessible right over here. And then quest up here as well. Now, first things first, I always recommend checking your daily rewards. Just select that and, of course, claim your daily reward so you can claim it again in 24 hours. But then you just need to go ahead and either run into this little play section or hit play just like so. You're going to be put in a menu that looks something like this where you select exactly who you want to go ahead and be. But you're going to see all of your controls. You're going to see like awaken, you're going to see direct strike, pass, and then of course flow as well. When you run over to the ball, all you need to go ahead and do is just run with it, right? And then of course you'll go ahead and have this. I recommend turning on shift lock, otherwise it's going to try and allow you to pass it, and you definitely don't want to get stuck doing that. But this game also is going to have styles, flows, shops, emotes, and packs. Of course, styles and flows kind of change how things are done, so just keep that in mind. And depending on how you perform in your match, you're going to level up as well. And then, of course, you use those to essentially get more rewards overall. But yeah, I'd really just hop into a private match, for example, practice like all the moving systems, passing, dribbling, and shooting so you can get better each game. But the more you play, the better you're going to get. And that's really the basis of it. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.